Welcome to AT Math Academy. In my earlier videos, I have shown you how to solve the problem for the volume of a rectangular prism for the fish tank. Now going for the second problem here, which would have a greater volume, a pool of 6 feet deep, 14 feet long and 28 feet wide, or a pool of 5 feet deep, 32 feet long and 15 feet wide. So let's write it down here as pool A and pool B. Okay, and for volume of pool A, it is 6 feet deep, so 6 times 14 feet long and 28 feet width. So we are multiplying length into width into height for the formula for the volume of that pool. And second pool is of 5 feet deep, 32 feet long and 15 feet wide. So we are multiplying this 5 times 32 times 15. So 6 times 14 is 14 times 6 is 6 times 4 is 24 and 2 is carried. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8, 84. So again I'm doing 84 times I have here is 28. So for 2-digit multiplication, we need to take every digit of the second number and multiply with every digit of the first number. So 8 times 4 is 32. So I have written 2 and take 3 carry. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 3, which is 64, 65, 66, 67. So let's write it 67 here and add. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So add everything. 8 and 7 comes to 15. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13 and 2. 2352. So the area for this is 2352. Volume for this is 2352 cubic feet. So you can write feet and cube. And area for this one is 32 times 5. Which is 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 carry. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16 and we have 15. 16 times 50, 160 times 15. 15 times 0 is 0. 15 times 6 is 90. 0 and 9 carry. 15 times 1 is 15 plus 9. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, which is 2400. So 2400 feet cube. This is a volume for pool B. So which one do you think is a larger capacity, greater volume? Greater volume is 2400. So pool B is having the larger capacity. This is how you solve the formula of the problem. This is how you solve the problem using the formula for the rectangular prism. We find the volume of the pools and then compare and find out which pool has a greater volume. So hope you all like my video and please subscribe to AT Math Academy. Thank you.